Today guys is I'm going to show you how to get the glider in Roblox Fish. Here I'm clicking it. It says it needs to be in the air to deploy the glider. Let's go now. I found this kinda laggy today. Meow, meow, meow. Where's the where is it? It's kinda hard to find. Where is that? There. Now in here it's super dark. I need to do that. Now let's go. Oh my god. My screen. Let's go down. Any seconds it will be dark. Three. Oh. Bro, I can still see it. Go here. Don't go to the landmine. Sea mines, bro. Don't you forget to like and subscribe. That is only I wanted, please. And go up here. Let's go. Then go straight. Go straight, guys. You will find here. Then go in here. You will see this guy that he wanted to go up to that cave, but later up. But it's later in the video. Here it's only 900 credits. There's so many random things here. What is in here? Sandstones. I didn't explore this. I didn't explore the absolute depth. The absolute depth. What? Absolute deep is? I don't know. Let's be careful in there. So now let's go up to that cave. But you need a glider. Let's go. Here. Jump. Here. And jump glider. Then jump glider. No. I failed. Let's try again. By the way, if you cannot know where is the flippers, go to my channel and find bro. I'm bad at Obi, guys. By the way, guys, if I have 5 subscribers, I'm going to face reveal myself. Blah blah blah. I don't care. Maybe in the next video I'm going to show that. Okay, bye guys.